Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing a new topic, that is representation of rational numbers on a number line. How do you represent the rational numbers on a number line? Now we all know how to represent the integers on a number line. Here, as you can see, on the left of 0 are the negative integers and on the right of 0 are the positive integers. Now as we move towards the right, the value of the number increases, and as we move towards the left, the value of the number decreases. And 0 is neither positive nor a negative integer. But the question is, how do you represent the rational numbers? So there are two types of representation of rational numbers on a number line. First, when the numerator is less than the denominator. Second, when the numerator is greater than the denominator. So this will be clear by giving an example. So let us see how to plot 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So when this is the case, where the numerator is less than the denominator, then obviously the number or the rational number, specifically if we say, will lie between 0 and 1 or 0 and minus 1. Now we have to look at the denominator. How many number of equal halves are there? So this is written as 2. So we have to equally divide into two halves. This is one half and this is the second half. So definitely this number will lie, since it is 1 by 2, so it will be 1. So it will be here 1 by 2. Similarly on the left side, minus half will be here. Now this will be much more clear with the next example, 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. This also will lie between 0 and 1 and 0 and minus 1. So let us see first 3 by 4. We have to divide it into 4 equal halves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is written as 3. So it will be 1, 2, 3. So it will lie here 3 by 4. Similarly on the left side also it will be here. This is clear. Already you have learned this in the earlier class 7. So I guess there shouldn't be any doubts left. Now second case, when the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here as you can see, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So what to do? Here what you have to do is, first you have to convert this rational number into a mixed fraction. So this is the mixed fraction. Why you have converted to mixed fraction? To know the exact position of the rational number. If we directly go with this number, it might be confusing. Also there might be some error in locating the number on a number line. So by this it is clear that 1, it is definitely greater than 1. Here also it is definitely greater than minus 1. So what to do is that, leaving this 1 aside, we have to just first see 3 by 4. So this number 7 by 4 will definitely lie between 1 and 2. Since it is greater than 1, so it will be lying between 1 and 2. So what to do is, same procedure, we have to divide into 4 equal halves. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal halves. It will lie in the third position. 1, this is 2, this is 3. Third position. So it will be 7 by 4, not 3 by 4. Remember that. It will be 7 by 4 because our number is 7 by 4. Similarly on the left side, this will be minus 7 by 4. Now you might be thinking, then what are these numbers in between? I have just plotted this to give you a clear understanding. If we divide this also in the equal halves, then we will get the numbers 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 is 1. If we cancel it, you will get 1. And 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, and 8 by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is what? 2. Similarly on the left side also, this is the same phenomenon going on. So I guess it is clear. Moving on, how to find out the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Say you are given two rational numbers and we are told to find some numbers in between those two rational numbers. Now one of the easiest method, which you have already learned in the earlier class, is taking out the LCM. If the denominators are same, then in that case it is very easy to find out the rational numbers. But the situations may not be always the same. The denominators may be not same. So in that case, what you have to do is, you have to take out the LCM of the denominators. Here in this case 2 and 3, it will be 6. So we have to make the denominators first equal. So here also 6, here also 6. yet here minus 9 by 6, here 10 by 6. Now it is very easy to find numbers in between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. There are a lot of numbers in between. So we need only 5 rational numbers, not many, only 5. So you can write any 5. So I have written here minus 8 by 6. Don't write these two numbers because these two numbers are at the extreme positions. You have to write the numbers in between those numbers. Hence the word is given between. So minus 8 by 6, it lies between this. Minus 7 by 6, it lies between this. 0, it lies. 1 by 6, also it lies. 2 by 6, it lies. So you can even give any other 5 rational numbers in between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. It is your wish. There are a lot of numbers in between. It is not mandatory that these numbers only are there. There are also other numbers in between this and this. But while writing, you have to write 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Clear? Now moving on to the other method, that is the method of average or the mean. Here also same thing you have to do. You have to first find out the LCM of the denominators. We got LCM. We have to make the denominators equal. Here we got 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Then after that what you have to do is you have to add them. Why I have added them? Just because we have to follow the average method. In the average method, first you have to add those numbers. Then after that we have to divide by 2. Divide by 2 means multiplied by the reciprocal 1 by 2. So we got this number. So this number 3 by 8 will lie in between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Clear? So I have shown it here in this way. Now we have to find other two numbers. So how will you find other two numbers? You have to find a number in between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8 and in between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. In that manner we can find other two numbers. The same procedure, take the LCM, add it, divide by 2, get the number. So we got one number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8, this number. Then again, similarly, we can find out another number between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. Same thing, take the LCM, add it, then divide by 2, we get another number. So in total, we got 3 numbers now. In between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, we got 5 by 16, 3 by 8 and 7 by 16. So these are the 3 rational numbers that lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. We can also find out more other numbers in between those by using this mean method or the average method, you can say. So I hope this is clear. This is one example I have taken from your textbook itself. Go through your textbook, you will understand it more better. Now, there was a doubt from one of my students from the last class that how to solve this. Now here, since it is an example of your textbook, just you can go through it. But let me explain first what is the main methodology that is being used here. Here, nothing to worry about. First, you have to write down this problem, and then what you have to do is you have to just arrange the positions. So this position is as it is. What you have to do is I have brought this thing in the front and this thing at the back. Why I have brought it, you will understand it sooner. Now you can see here. What I did is I have again changed the position. This I have brought it in the front and this at the back. Why I have done this? Because according to the commutative law or the commutative property, A into B is equal to B into A. So if you take this A and this as B, or simple as this as A and this as B, whatever you take, you can interchange their position. So A into B, B into A. Simple. And what I did here is I put a plus sign, because as we know minus and plus, it is minus. So if I put a plus sign in here, I give them inside the bracket as minus, it is the same thing. Why I have done this? So that I can take common 3 by 7. So I have taken 3 by 7 common. Now 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Okay. Then what I did here is I have now applied the distributive law. What does the distributive law says? A into, I have taken this as A into B plus C will be equal to A into B plus A into C. Understood? This remains as it is. Then just have to simplify it. So in the end we got minus 15 by 35. Okay. here I've taken the LCM. So minus 30, we got minus 15 by 35. Then you just do the sum and you'll get minus half. So I hope this is clear to you now. So that's it. And please go through the next exercise, that is exercise 1.2. Try it out. And please maintain a copy for doing all this. I'll be giving you the notes of this chapter very soon. And please try to complete your work till exercise 1.2 and do ask the doubts if you have any. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.